Namaste everyone, my name is Melanie and I'm from Mexico, and I just completed my 200-hour teacher training course here at Vinyasa Yogashala school in Rishikesh, and I just want to let you know that it was an amazing experience. The teachers are very well prepared and there for you, willing to share their knowledge, their experiences, and to answer any question, any doubt that you have. My classmates and I spend a really nice time here. The facilities are great and the staff is willing to help you every time that you need. So if you are interested in taking yoga teacher training here in India, I completely and fully recommend you. Vinyasa Yogashala is your best option. I have here my certificate and I'm super happy about the results. It was an amazing transformation and I cannot wait to be back. Namaste. Besos. Mwah.